Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So we were covering the topic of artificial intelligence. In our previous video, we have learned about artificial intelligence and the factor that made intelligence and some of the examples, just gone through the examples of artificial intelligence. Let's just revise that topic so you can connect to that. Artificial intelligence is a man-made thinking power, or you can say any machines and devices that are incorporated with intelligence that can perform tasks like human perform or human do. So we have gone through the factors. Those were generalized learning, reasoning, perception, and decision making. So in this video, friends, we are going through the practical implementation of artificial intelligence. We are going to learn how artificial intelligence is implemented. As I have discussed in my previous video, that robotics is not only the example or the practical implementation of artificial intelligence, but artificial intelligence is a general term that defines any device that can perform its task or work efficiently is implemented form of artificial intelligence. So here are some examples or the practical implementation of artificial intelligence that we are going to learn in this lecture. Here are some examples that are maps and navigation, facial detection, smart cars, smartphones, social media, chatbots, and video game. So let's move toward the maps and navigation. By the access of internet or 5G, you can access the map anywhere where you are. With the help of Google Map, you can go anywhere and you doesn't need any extra device or any extra software for that. Just with the help of internet, you can access the Google Map. So it helps and improve traffic. That is a practical implementation of artificial intelligence. Moving toward the next category, that is facial detection. Facial detection or recognition is another practical implementation of artificial intelligence where a device or a system can detect or can recognize your face, and it is used for surveillance and security purposes. As you can see, there is a lock or a system in your mobile that can detect your face. You have facial detection recognition in your mobile phone, so that is a practical implementation of AI. Okay, moving towards the smart cards. As I have described in my first video where I was just describing about the information and communication technology, that smart cards are also the implementation of artificial intelligence where they can detect with object detection technology. They can detect different objects, the speed, the motion with the help of sensors, and they can make decision either to turn right, left or something. So smart cars are the practical example of artificial intelligence, and the best example is Tesla. I know you have heard about Tesla. No one just is unfamiliar with Tesla. It is very famous and it is like fully automated car so far. So it is the best example of AI. Okay friends, moving toward next category, next implementation example, that is social media. Whenever you have gone through some of the fields in your social media account, either it is your Facebook, Insta, or you are going to some website either for shopping or something, have you ever noticed that same content is shown to you again and again, or your field is just your field contains the same content which you gone through the past in websites or similar content. So this is the practical example of artificial intelligence. When you have gone through some websites or some similar content, they show you the same content in the form of recommendations and with interacting behavior. So that is another example of artificial intelligence. Moving toward smartphone. Smartphone is the best example of artificial intelligence. You can have facial recognition in it, you have the fingerprint detection sensors in it, and a lot of different features, or you playing music, video streaming, video games. Every single thing is just implemented in your mobile phone. So your mobile phone is the best example of your artificial intelligence. And I have mentioned some factors how smartphones are the practical implementation of artificial intelligence. Moving toward the chatbots. Do you think whenever you have some problem, there is customer service? Have you ever think that there is a person sitting there and attending your calls or messages and responding to you? No, that is not possible, because there are a lot of millions of customers and there is a huge traffic. So in that case, there are chatbots who can answer the queries by the customers according to their need. So they are programmed very efficiently to answer the random questions that have been asked by the customer. So chatbot is another example of practical implementation of artificial intelligence. Okay, last one is the video game. Friends, video games are the industry where artificial intelligence initially is adopted initially. You have think about it, when you play games, there is an opponent. Who that is? If you are not playing online games, a computer game, there is 2 player, 3 player. So have you think that you are a single player? What other opponents are? These are machines. Sorry, this is the programmed machines that are your opponent in the form of artificial intelligence. So that is the practical implementation of artificial intelligence in games. So friends, these were some of the categories. There is a huge implementation of artificial intelligence, a lot of different gadgets and systems that are basically depend on or the practical implementation of artificial intelligence. But I have just covered some of the factors or some of the examples that were important. And if you like my content and if it is knowledgeable and relevant to you, so please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And inshallah we will meet in next video. Till then, take good care of yourselves and stay blessed.